It's been a year since my last trailer, and it's about time that I make a new trailer. Hello and welcome to Artclstudios. I am Hanciel and I want to invite everybody. So I recently moved to a new house. Moved out of New York City, and now I have my own studio. Before I was working on my living room, and that's what I did on my videos, and that's where everything was happening. But now I've kind of settled in. I have my own space. I have my green screen lighting. So this is happening now for real. I'm gonna be taking it serious. I've been doing live stream on Instagram for 3 weeks now, and I think it's about time to get into the shorter videos again. In these formats, I'll be doing drawing and talking, which is what I'm streaming so far. I'll be doing advice for artists, which in that part is where I give 5 tips to artists on how to better something in any topic. And I'm also focusing on animation. So those are the 3 things that I'll be focusing on: advice for artists, drawing and talking, and animation. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. And again, I'm inviting you to join me in this journey. Once again, it's been a year, and now I feel fired up, ready to get back into it, ready to get into our conversations, ready to get back to you guys. I also opened up my online store where I have shirts like these, like this one. I have a mug that have my logo on it, so you guys can check them out. And this is just the beginning. Something happened this year with this quarantine where I was able to focus a lot more on my craft, and there's been a lot of things going on. So stay tuned, join me, follow me on Instagram at Artclstudios, subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/Artclstudios, like the video. Let me know if you guys want to see tutorials. Again, I appreciate your time. I appreciate you taking a look at this video. Let's get into this art business. As I always say, never stop learning for you, because when you learn, you can teach others. Peace out. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on social media, and if you like the video, click the like button. If you want to see more videos, click the video in the middle. And don't forget, never stop learning for you.